If you have a small, medium or a large scale business, you should not miss this video. We are going to discuss what will happen to the businesses across India after lockdown. My name is Akshay and I will help your business get back to business. We are not sure when the lockdown will end. The lockdown have literally closed down companies catering employees more than 5.5. However, we may expect a better comeback because right now we are aware on what need to be done after lockdown. In my previous video, I have shown you on how you can get back your lost customers and make sure that they are retained well. I would highly recommend you to go and check that video. So let us start with discussing what will happen to the businesses after lockdown in consumer sectors and the other sector. I would want to remind you on how important this is because your first impression of your business after lockdown will have a greater impact on customers' mind. Remember, a good start is a work half done. First point, guys, is crisis management. Existing plan may not run after COVID-19. Your business may give you unexpected turns and scenarios in which you may go blackout. So please sit with your team and make a list of things that may go wrong. Make a plan A, B and C if required. Just make sure that every exceptions you are expected to arrive up to, you have the resolution for the same. You may also face a lot of problems if you are not aware about government policies that are updated after COVID-19. If you want to know more about such information, please comment in the comment section. Second point is workforce. Your team is equally important. You need to make sure that your business runs on new policies that are made for employees and your company should adhere to it. There are a lot of strategies that can be implemented to make sure the productivity of employees are raised even when they are working from home. To make sure that you have a close eye on what your employees are requesting for. This is really important, guys. Your employees are really close to your clients and they are aware on what is needed. Listening to your employees and providing them necessary tools will help you get back positively after lockdown. Third point, guys, is operations and supply chain. The effect of COVID-19 is difficult to margin or access, but your business should make sure you mitigate the disruptions in supply chain and operations. Make sure you have multiple sources of supply or follow-up demands if the first one fails. Just make sure that you are aware about the regulations while departing the products and you need to make sure that the products are delivered on time. Guys, if you are a manufacturer, you need to really focus on getting the materials in a cheaper way. You need to make sure that whatever raw materials you are purchasing, the prices has to be going down. Do not know what exceptions may come in front of you after lockdown. You have to increase margin of your business. If you do not do this, you may even get a loss of business in a big scale. You should make sure that you play safe. Fourth point is pricing. This is really important, guys. Your price should actually match what you are servicing. COVID-19 has recently changed a lot of regulatories across India while moving goods, while purchasing raw materials, and there are a lot of regulatory issues that you may face after you launch your business, and ensure that you do not run into losses for each transaction. You need to make sure that the local authorities are taken into consideration. This will help your business grow for a larger run. Fifth point, guys, is strategy and brand. Your business needs an eye that focuses on multiplying the impact of COVID-19. You need to start selling offline to online market for a bigger audience. Moving digital will give you larger foresights on required trend that suits your business and take required actions to suit the trend. As a result of COVID-19, you may see vulnerable trend into sales and returning of the goods. I highly recommend you to start looking for resources which are nearest to you. This will help a reliable source of requirements that is very much needed for your business. Just remember, the only way you can come out of this pandemic is buying local. So these are 5 important aspects that you need to take care after COVID-19. Believe me guys, focusing on these points will help you and your business get a really good comeback after this pandemic. I highly recommend for you and your team to sit and calculate on what things can go wrong. The quantity of points that you make at this time will help you overcome such scenarios in future very easily. Getting your business ready for the worst will help you come out of this pandemic. Guys, let us not sit for the relief fund that has been promised by the government. Instead, I believe you should be looking forward for the points where you and your business can grow and scale up to. Later in the year, you can focus on how you can save your taxes according to the new regulations. So this is a larger feedback on how your business should run after lockdown. Do call, message or comment on the comment section if you have further questions, and I will be really happy to help you. Do subscribe to the channel The Golden Circle Consultants on YouTube, or follow me on Instagram for live updates on e-commerce and sales. I hope you and your family is safe in this pandemic. Until everything settles, stay home and stay safe.